everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you my February bullet journal setup. I am keeping in theme with tarot cards, which is the overarching theme I've chosen for this entire year. So as usual, I'm going to have a title page and it is in theme with Valentine's Day, so it's all about love and the lovers. The page adjacent to that is a month at a glance, so I just wrote down all the dates. So throughout the month, when I look back, I can see where I'm up to. I just used the felt tip art liner to make some really simple doodles on the month at a glance, and on the other side you can see, again, I did the whole graphic artwork with cartoon in style to make a really simple lovers title page. And as usual, on top you can see I did 2 in Roman numerals to symbolize that it's the second month of the year, and at the bottom I wrote the February instead of the lover or the moon, etc. like normal tarot cards. I then gave my title page a wash of colour using some watercolours and a mix of highlighters and textures. This is a reminder you don't really need super expensive materials to make an aesthetic and pretty title page. I also want to add that you can see that there are roses. Not only is it because it is a symbol for love and I thought it went fittingly well with Valentine's Day, but also I thought it would be quite interesting if I changed up different flowers according to the season. So for January I also had some roses, and I thought, they're both in summer, so maybe next month I'll change up and make some new flowers to symbolize that it is going to be autumn. So maybe leave some comments and ideas down below of what flowers I can draw for autumn. On the next page you can see that I have done my lifestyle habits for this month, and I love my trackers, and I really liked how in January all my trackers were very condensed on a 2-page spread, so I wanted to do this again. And I also introduced a new tracker, which is the snooze tracker, and I saw this on Pinterest. So basically you kind of map out how long and when you sleep. I think this is just to enforce a habit on myself so I can sleep a little bit earlier and wake up early as well. I think it will be quite interesting, my first time trying it, so hopefully it goes well. I also have my regular trackers such as my habit tracker and my mood tracker. And then of course I also have my gratitude log because I just think it's so nice to write a quick entry about what was the best thing of your day. On next couple of pages, I actually have my weekly to-do list and weekly spreads. I think these are just very functional and very practical to use. I am starting uni in February, so I will get very busy, and I thought this would be really helpful if I actually just have these boxes for representing each day where I write down all these tasks. I found that the tracker I used last month was really helpful. However, it was a little bit too condensed, so instead of doing an entire month on 2 spreads, I decided to do a fortnight in each spread, and this just made it a lot more easy to keep going and keep a track of what I need to do each day. The design is super simple. I just drew a rectangle for each day of the week and I wrote down the date to correspond with that, and I think it's just a very easy way to make it look aesthetic and minimalistic but still very functional. Of course, there's plenty of room for customization. As you can see, I actually put some stickers on the first page to fill in some gaps. You can definitely do the same thing, and you don't have to just keep it as normal boxes. You can do some squiggles and doodles in the background as well. Completely up to you. On the next double spread page, I actually did a reading log. If you saw closely in my habit tracker, I'm trying to read a little bit every single day. I think it's just an amazing habit to have, whether it's just in the morning or just before you sleep. It is just going to be so good for making me feel organized and motivational. So leave some recommendations of your favorite books lately and I'll get to read them. guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something, as well as getting some inspirations for your own bullet journal setup. I definitely had a lot of fun doing this and I can't wait to try all these spreads out. Leave a comment down below if you're going to try using any of these spreads. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I can't wait to see you guys for the next one. Bye!